Hi my little chaps, how are you all? I think you have nicely enjoyed Sankranti festival, right? I have received your pics. I can see that you have done with all the activities which I have given, right? Okay, fine. But a few of them have sent the homework and rest of them have to send your homework. So shall we start with today's session? And today I'm also giving you activity for upcoming Republic Day. We do have Republic Day on Jan 26th, right? So what you have to do is, nursery students have to do collage work on flag. Fine? Collage work of paper, orange, white and green. You can actually tear the paper into small pieces and do collage work on the picture of flag. Or else you can actually take grains or pulses from kitchen. Orange, yes, you have masoor dal, orange, and you have green gram, yes, and white gram also you have, right? You have to take those and make flag collage. Just have a look how you have to do. So you have seen the picture, right? Like that nursery kids have to do. And PP1 have to do palm printing on flag. Okay, either mummy or daddy will help you with the flag outline. Then you have to do palm printing with orange and green color. Just see how you have to do palm printing on the flag. Fine, you have seen the picture, right? Like that you have to do palm printing. And UKG students, now you have grown up, so I want you to draw flag by yourself. Okay, it is very easy. How do we write letter F? Yes, the same way you have to just extend the two sleeping lines and you can make a flag. I'll just share you the video how you have to do. Just have a look how you have to draw flag, draw by yourself and color it. And while you are drawing, tell mama to record a video and share it with me. Republic Day activity to be sent before 26th, maybe by 23rd you can send or 24th you can send. And if you want to sing any patriotic song, that also you can share. And UKG students can actually say 2 or 3 sentences about Republic Day. What is Republic Day? Why is it celebrated? Search in Google and say at least 2 or 3 sentences. Fine, whereas nursery and PP1 students can sing a small patriotic song. We have many patriotic songs. You can sing 1 or 2 lines, record and share it with me. And don't forget to wear white attire while you are doing this activity. Fine, let's see what we have in our academics. Okay, so UKG students, take out your Hindi book. See, in Hindi last time we have done till J, Ch, right? So now we will do with J, J, Ch. This is J. Okay? Say loudly. J se jahaj, J se jalebi, J se jal. Once again. J se jahaj, J se jalebi, ज से जल. We also have something here. ज से जग में भर लो पानी, पानी पीकर सुनो कहानी. Nice, right? ज से जग में भर लो पानी, पानी पीकर सुनो कहानी. Fine. Now let's see what comes after j. Jh. Jh. Okay, this is see. Ch. Ch, J, Ch. This is Ch. Fine? झ से झोपड़ी, झ से झरना, झ से झोपड़ी, झ से झरना। च छ ज छ इनी, this is ini, okay? Ch छ ज छ इनी, and with ch we have something here. झ से झरना झरता जाए, झ से झरना झरता जाए, झरझर कर गीत सुनाए। नाइस, राइट? झ से झरना झरता जाए, झरझर कर गीत सुनाए। So you have to practice j, ch, read loudly, and whenever you have time, please practice writing letters also. Okay, so we have completed till ch, cha, j, jha, ini. Fine. Okay, now you take out your Telugu book. Yeah, in Telugu also we have done cha, cha till chatram we have done, right? Now j, j jada, j jalleda. Fine. j jada, j jalleda, j jata, j janam, j janta, j jalam. Fine. So you have to write j. Next we have got jh. Like Hindi we have, right? Jhasham, jhari, jhankaram. Jhasham, jhari, jhankaram. So you have to practice j, ch. Ini, vijnanamu, prajna. Okay? So you have to practice all these three. Okay? Fine. Let's take out your English book. Yeah. So take out your English course book. See, in English we have done till page number 54, sw words, right? Like sweater, sweet. So now we will start with page number 55. Here we are doing with s and p words. Okay? S says s, p says p. Okay? So together it produces a sound sp. Speed, speed, specs, specs, spin, spin, spring, spring, sparrow, sparrow, spoon, spoon, spider, spider. Fine. So we have done till SP words. So while you are watching my video, you also take a book and point out with pen, pencil or your finger and repeat with me. After this, write in your notebook twice SP words. Okay, once we finish all the sound words, then we will go with our English workbook. Okay, now take out your math course book. Yeah. So in your math course book, last time we have done with shapes. I didn't receive your shape activity. I told you, right? You have to make shape with strings. I'm waiting for those videos. And we have done till page 43, right? We have colored all these squares and triangles. Yes? Okay, if you have not done with page 43, I request you to color the triangles here, count number of triangles and write. Okay, after that, turn the page. In page number 44, we have got an activity, right? Observe the shapes and letters in them. Write the numbers in the matching shapes. So what you have to do is, see here on the top, he has given few shapes and numbers in it. So down also the same shapes. First, you just write the numbers with sketch pen. How will you write? You will not directly write 1, 2, 3. No. For example, the first shape here is square. Search where is square in the colored shapes. Yeah, here it is. Which number is written in this? Number 2, right? So you have to write number 2 here. So easy, right? Next we have got hexagon, right? Yeah. So you have to check where is hexagon. It's pentagon. Fine? Because we have got 5 sides. So you have to check where is pentagon and which number is written, that you have to write. Okay? Then you have got oval shape. Search where is oval shape. Yeah, here it is. And which number is written? Number 14 is written. You have to color. Like that. First you have to write and color the same colors which are given. Fine? Once you finish this, then we will go with bundle of tens in the next session. Yeah, in EVS, last time I gave you an activity about grains, pulses, cereals and all. I didn't receive that. Once I receive, then we will go with the next session and next activity. Okay, so you have got an activity related to Republic Day and you have got homework in all the subjects too. So what will you do? Take out your books, complete your homework, and after completing your homework, start with Republic Day activity. And while you are doing the activity, wear white color dress and do the activity nicely. Tell Mama to record a video and share it with me before 24th or 23rd. Fine, so that I can make a nice collage and I can post it in FB, that's Facebook. Okay, then till then what will you do? Don't trouble parents, be a good student, stay home, stay safe. I'll be waiting for your videos. Bye bye.